Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enter prank mode on your speaker MTUNE M1. And we have a few options how to enter prank mode. If it's your first connection, you just press and hold at the power button to turn on your speaker and it will enter to prank mode automatically. But if it's not your first connection or you wanna enter to prank mode manually, firstly you need to turn on the speaker, and near to the speaker we have Bluetooth button, so you need to press and hold this button. And now we hear a tone prompt and we can also see it at the device list, so we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!